We have another birth about to happen. Come along with me as I check on our newest birth as it's happening. Shirley was missing, and we think we know why. It's windy and it's cold. It's supposed to get down to 32 tonight. Every birth on the farm reminds us how little control we truly have. And how faithful God is to carry life through. This is the birth of our 5th calf this fall. Shirley's newest baby. Shirley started labor quietly, just like she always does. You could see the contractions coming and going. Although it looks like she's mooing or crying, Shirley never made a sound. She'd stand, then lay back down, listening to her body and doing exactly what God designed her to do. Before long, we saw front feet. That's always a good sign. I watched from the bushes, giving her space and quietness. Shirley's done this before. Daisy was her first calf with us. And she's always been a steady, attentive mama. Then Shirley surprised me. She stood up and walked away. Sometimes cows do that. They need a quiet moment or privacy. This could take a while, and I needed to give James an update. So I went back into the house just for a bit. By the time I came back outside, the calf was on the ground. Just like that, new life. Wet, tired, and completely dependent.
It's probably another bull,
Probably.
since it's so large. Move, George. Tell George to move. He's too big. I can't see around him.
I can go put chips out.
No. The
Huh?
baby's trying to stand up. Like, focus. Oh.
Some colostrum.
Well, it's cold out here. Wouldn't want to sit around and be wet.
She had that baby right there.
Mildred. Well, my dad's birthday's next week, or would have been. If it's a boy, it's probably a Norman.
You mean it's probably abnormal?
No, Norman. Not
Abnormal.
Oh! It just tried to get up.
I'll tell you what it is.
Oh, Mildred, don't stop right there.
The calf tried to stand a couple of times and fell. That's normal. Those first few minutes are all about learning balance and strength. We weren't worried.
She's a good mom, though. She'll take care of her baby.
Shirley's proven herself before. She's a good
Did
mother.
real good with Daisy.
Patient, protective, and calm. We knew she would take care of this baby, just like she did with Daisy. Every calf born here feels like a gift, a reminder that life continues, even when we step away just for a moment. Thank you for being here with us for this moment.
That red one will calve in about 2 weeks. Should be ready. A week to 2 weeks, I think.
If you enjoy real farm life, the quiet parts and the uncertain parts, we're glad you're here. More babies, more stories, and more lessons to come. Thanks for spending your time here with us on the Double N Farm. See you next time.